If your goal is to make $10,000 per month and lead a stress-free life, then you have to develop a high-income skill. Because without a skill, you can't make a lot of money, and that's the truth. And today, I am going to talk about 5 high-income skills that can pay you $10,000 or more per month. So, hit that like button and let's get started. So number 1, UI/UX design. Now, let's figure out why UI/UX design is a great way to earn $10,000 per month. First things first, UI/UX design stands for user interface or user experience design. It's all about making digital products like websites and mobile apps look good and work smoothly. Now, why is it so awesome for making some serious cash? Let me break it down for you. First, high demand. In today's world, everyone wants their website or app to be user-friendly and visually appealing. With the rise of technology and the digital revolution, the demand for talented UI/UX designers has skyrocketed. It's like being in the candy store, and you're the one making all the tastiest treats. Second, lucrative projects. Think of UI/UX design as a playground for creativity and problem solving. When companies hire UI/UX designers, they're investing in the success of their digital products. And let me tell you, companies are ready to spend some serious cash for top-notch designs that attract users and keep them hooked. Let me give you an example to illustrate the money-making potential of UI/UX design. Imagine a company that wants to revamp its e-commerce website. They need it to be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for conversions. They hire a skilled UI/UX designer who creates an intuitive layout, stunning visuals, and a seamless checkout process. As a result, the company sees a significant increase in sales and customer satisfaction. They're thrilled with the results and happily pay the designer a handsome sum for their exceptional work. So, my friend, if you have a knack for creativity, problem solving, and an eye for design, UI/UX design can be your golden ticket to that sweet $10,000 per month. It's a field where demand is high, projects are lucrative, and you can enjoy the freedom of remote work. It's like turning your passion into a profitable adventure. Second, becoming Facebook ads and Instagram ads expert. First off, let's talk about the power of Facebook and Instagram. These platforms are like the coolest parties in town, where everyone hangs out, shares their stories, and shows off their latest finds. Businesses have realized that these parties are the place to reach their target audience. So they need experts like you to craft eye-catching ads that get people's attention and make them ready to click that Buy Now button. Imagine this. A trendy clothing brand wants to promote its awesome new summer collection. They hire you as their ads expert to create a campaign that stops people from scrolling and makes them check out their stylish outfits. You use your ad skills to target fashion enthusiasts and beach lovers with stunning visuals and interactive ad copy. Result? Sales skyrocket, and the brand is over the moon with the profit they are making. And guess what? They'll be more than happy to keep you on board, paying you that sweet $10,000 per month. And the best part? You can do all this from the cozy corner of your favorite coffee shop, wearing your comfortable clothes. Being Facebook ads and Instagram ads expert opens the doors to a world of remote work possibilities. No need to battle the rush hour traffic or deal with an irritable boss. You can work with businesses and run your own ad agency. So if you've got the creative flair, the analytical mind, and the passion for social media, becoming Facebook ads and Instagram ads expert is one of the best options to make $10,000 per month. Third, becoming a project manager. If you're wondering how becoming a project manager can make you $10,000 per month, then let me break it down for you in simple terms. Let's say a company wants to create an awesome mobile app. They have different teams like designers and developers, but they need someone who can bring them all together. That's where the project manager comes in. They plan the work, make sure everyone is working together, and make sure the app gets finished on time. When the company sees how well the project manager handled everything and how successful the app is, they happily pay them a good amount of money. But wait, there's more. Project management is a skill that's in high demand across various industries, from construction to marketing, from software development to event planning. Every sector needs someone who can tackle the project perfectly. And guess what? you have the opportunity to be that person. As a project manager, you can work on exciting projects, collaborate with talented professionals, and earn a comfortable income doing what you love. Fourth, building chatbots for businesses. Let's understand how building chatbots for businesses can help you make $10,000 per month. Imagine a scenario. A travel agency wants to streamline its booking process. They're tired of customers filling out lengthy forms and waiting for a response. That's when they turn to you, the chatbot master. You build a chatbot that understands travel preferences, suggests amazing destinations, and even books flights and hotels seamlessly. The agency sees a significant boost in bookings, and you can easily charge $2,000 to $3,000 for each client. And if you can work for 2 to 3 clients every single month, you can hit that $10,000 per month milestone. And trust me, building chatbots for businesses offers endless possibilities. From e-commerce to healthcare, from banking to food delivery, every industry can benefit from the magic of chatbots. And that's where you come in. Just learn how to create chatbots and help those businesses that need chatbots and make money while working from home. Now let's talk about the fifth and the most lucrative skills on this list. But before I dive into it, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications if you feel like you are getting real value so far. It's free, but you will get a ton of money-making ideas from this channel. So, the final one is learning affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers limitless possibilities. You can promote products in any niche you're passionate about and start making money. Just imagine you're a travel enthusiast with a passion for finding the best and cheap flight deals. You start a YouTube channel where you share your travel adventures and tips for scoring affordable flights. You partner with airlines or travel booking platforms as an affiliate, sharing your unique affiliate link in your video descriptions. Every time someone clicks your link and books a flight, you earn a commission. With the right content and a growing subscriber base, you can turn your travel passion into a profitable venture, reaching that glorious $10,000 per month milestone. And the best part is, affiliate marketing allows you to earn passive income. Once you've set up your content and affiliate links, they can generate revenue for you while you sleep, explore the world, or watching your favorite shows. It's like having your own money-making machine working tirelessly in the background. That's why I love this skill set, and I'm also doing this for the past 3 years. But the problem is, most of us don't know how to find the best products and how to affiliate them to earn a commission. That's why we built a free training, where we teach how you can start earning money as an affiliate marketer. Just click on the link on the pinned comment and join the training to learn about how to make money as an affiliate marketer. It's completely free, but you will learn a lot. See you in the next one. Till now, stay happy and start your first journey to making money online.